This 5-minute solution will show you how to recover Monopoly Go account. First of all, launch your Monopoly Go app and tap on this menu icon at the top right. Tap on Settings. Tap on Customer Service. And here tap on How can I contact customer support? Then scroll down all the way to the bottom. Tap on Chat with us. Then you will be able to start chatting with a agent. And here you have to explain that you want to recover your Monopoly Go account. So that's how we can recover a Monopoly Go account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. Don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.